All right, guys, and we are back. And we got some more Harbor Freight savings for you guys today. So this is going to be a real quick one. This is going to be Harbor Freight's Labor Day 4-day sale starting Friday, August 30th through Monday, September 2nd. We're a little late, but you still have some time to take advantage of the savings. So for everyone, we got 10% off any single item. If you're an Inside Track Club member, you get 20% off any single item, and this is only in store, guys. So enter the coupon code at checkout if you're going to shop online, and you get a coupon code up here. If not, you do have to present it inside the store. We'll go over this. Limit 1 coupon per customer per day, valid in store, online, and on in-stock items only. So you guys could read the rest of that. We're going to keep this short, sweet, and to the point. So there you go, guys. Your Labor Day, your 4-day Labor Day sale at Harbor Freight. 10% off for everyone. If you're Inside Track Club member, you get 20% off any single item. So there you have it, guys. Like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.